Obora charger Yamayaga. My charger. No, who said that?
Don't make me fight. Don't make me stand up.
I will then beat you.
I will stand up.
I'll beat this child. Oh, guys.
I shall stand
I will fucking. Get out,
I shall stand up.
I will beat you.
Make me stand up. You see flames.
Mommy.
Hello, my baby.
I took him like this.
What? What is that? Let me see. Let me see my angel. Hey. Let me see you, Perry.
The dogs are gone.
What's happening?
I want the mommy.
The dog is here. What do you want from me?
Mommy.
Like, I'm tired of being auntie today, guys. Like, I'm like a resigner vandaag.
Is this the mother or is the one with the red eye?
Let me see. The one with the red eye is the last born. The other, this is the mother. This is the mother. Yo. Hey, beside cheek. Oh, okay. Is a girlfriend? No. Okay. The last time I saw you, you were married. Okay, maybe she's not. She's a girlfriend. She's a what? She's a what? She's a neighbor. Oh, my friend. Imagine. Hello, my sweethearts. No, what's your name again? Imagine Aura, right? Then there's Ara in the house. Where not right now we are sitting in tables where you don't belong. Adults exit, vanish right now. Vanish. But when you're sitting in tables that you don't belong. Aura, vanish. Hey, I'm your auntie. You don't sit with me.
I'm so angry.
You're angry. Aura, go away. Kaya.
Why did you take it? Why did you take it back? Why did you take it back, Kaya?
Don't shout at him.
Oh, wow.
Kaya, don't give me your tears. Kaya, you are a man. Stop doing. You're hitting me, Wayne. Kaya, come on, we need to train you. You can't be crying. Kaya. Ubani uzolela uParis, abafana bamheda. Ukhaya uyakhala, ukhala noParis. You're heartbroken, my sister. You? Imagine.
I'm not taking for this is the second
But let us see Kaya. I will not embarrass my brother. We are on live on TikTok. I just wanted to show them. Mamela, show me. I wanted to show them my hair. Like I wanted to show them my hair. Like they must see I'm a normal human being. Like I can be crusty and all, and sit on my damn kitchen and like be on my kitchen. Orange, no? Paris. Attackment. Yeah, no.
This is the second to right that Kaya is losing.
Never.
I've been a single parent. Second to right. No, guys. It's Warren speaker.
Warren wetsang? Nabutiwe emahanyane. Ushonile.
Oh, acceptile manje Warren.
Hello.
Ushonile lo emsimgodini.
Hello.
No, Warren. What?
Awa guys, hello. Ngiyalibulelisa lapho. How?
Oh, uthini wena angikhulumi lento lezo zabo spades mina.
Kilipedi.
Language barrier. Angibuza ukuthi
Ulay.
Sabang ukuthi hebe kusibithi bakhe. Sikhuluma sihebi sithemele.
Bare.
Yes, Costa.
No, we were just addressing some certain matters. No, I wanted them to see who they. No, Utrenda because of what? No, what I wanted to address is my hair. Like I look like my mom today. Oh my god, I look like my late mom. Push back. Ka relax.
Push back.
Lipondo mo ngwaneng. Ke mother. Ke maybe the chips are for him. Kaya is busy crying. Kaya needs a counselor.
I'm very happy you didn't lose the watch.
No, mama. Ay. No, mama. No, mama. Paris.
No, on a serious note, I'm very happy.
The Apple Watch. And it died.
And the iPad.
And the iPad.
Yeah, no.
And the jacket.
Yeah.
Sure, Danny.
Oh, being a single parent is so toxic. Wait, now, what are you saying to me? Being a single parent. Ukuma say cheeky Did he declare the allegations? What clear allegations? What Jared? Oh,
Yes, Kaya. Tell them, Kaya.
Hi, my baby. Come here. Come give me a hug. Come give Auntie a hug. Come give Auntie a hug. Like, come give Auntie a hug. Me, I was protecting you.
When you are busy mean to him.
I was busy mean to you. I'm mean to you, me. That knife that you're holding there, I will use it on your head and cut that hair. And that nose, and that mouth, and that teeth, and the ears, and everything. Scream.
See, you are making
Scream.
Guys.
Oh, my only boy. My only boy.
Don't allow them.
My only boy. Gugu. Ngicabangisa nomntanami. Gugu. Ngicabangisa nomntanami. We are entering in between us. Auntie. Your only auntie. Your one and only auntie. That cleans, the one and only auntie that cleans the pool for you.
Yes.
You forget umsebenzi wami wena. Eh? The one and only auntie that calls Uncle T for you. That calls I call Uncle T for you.
She's the one.
Eh? And then today I hate you. You better come to your auntie right now.
Kaya called me Pops. You tell.
Oh, Pops! Wait, now, Kaya, I got you a Pops. I got you a Pops. Now, you do. Ungenza date.
To me.
Ngicela ureconcile uhlanganise.
Come, my baby.
No. You're so sweet.
I cannot be that auntie. Mina, I'm a sweet auntie. I'm a sweet auntie. You cannot do that to me.
Auntie was the one who calmed you down.
I gave you this pops and this uncle.
Auntie.
You went to Christmas village because of me. My money. My investment. When
You were the
Allah.
one who went from the room and said, Auntie, how do I look? Do I look smart?
Imagine that Duran that you lost.
Now the duet is lost.
And I've got every right to be angry. Eh? Right now you're busy wiping your tears with an Apple Watch.
Looking at us. Ruling over
Never.
us. Both old and young.
Okay?
Right now you're busy with Apple Watch. Wallah, all wipers. Exactly.
I'm very
Yes,
thankful
my
that,
baby.
because she's
My
adding
baby.
people online. People
My
like, I can see you.
baby. My baby. My kiss auntie. Kiss auntie. Kiss auntie. You are my baby.
There's no other auntie.
Kiss auntie.
Daddy,
My smooth baby. My baby. My baby.
Paris brother.
On top of me.
Yeah, it did that too good.
I love you.
And it almost
This is
did
a
that
rich
too.
auntie.
Like this, then
Right?
box get that
Love you, my baby. My boy. My only boy in the world. Love you. Kiss me again.
Let's do it.
Bring your mouth.
Let's
Bring your mouth to me. Mgqalisele, kiss me. Mgqalisele. Come, show them. Show them.
Baba,
Show them. Kiss me. Show them.
No.
Ah, you kiss me.
I can't.
Ah, kiss me. Kiss.
I can't.
I can't. It's a girl's thingy. When are you guys are bad? I'm not gonna transfer you, man. You guys are bad. No.
On our way here, we're in the car. He's like, no, my brothers know my password.
No,
I want to
useless.
change it.
Useless.
Useless, Gajan.
I can't see my iPhone 14 keep guy.
I was changing
Eh,
password.
I see my iPhone 14 keep guy. My super spoil bread.
Now
Bana ba rona
now I must find a person that unlocks. Ngathi ngitshontshile, ngathi sithenge ku you DM me for.
Why Kaya doesn't want to kiss me? I'm hurt. When a boy, you wanna kiss me? Out of all the people that I trusted in this house.
Carrie Paris.
Okay, only Paris can kiss me in this house.
No one.
Okay, take your luggages out of my damn house.
As in, Paris. I could get it also in Kabana. Paris where?
No, obviously, like she's that girl. What about a dozen Gabbana? Wanyanaka. Yeah, no, but opinions. Eh, Kiwanyana what dozen Gabbana? Kiwanyana Her Majesty. Kiwana Her Majesty. But over title, Barry. You are the uncle. You are not the father of this child.
But no, you can't
The
be
child cannot be wearing a Dawson Gabbana, and you are not able to explain
Hey,
this.
Yazin.
Batong.
No.
Batong, wait again. I think I need to cut this hair. I cannot be having long hair. It doesn't make sense, right? Mommy.
This is nice. So, somebody makes us or no?
I'm a Campbell keeper munch.
Yeah.
Batong, Lona.
Investment they can make.
Oh, the can was not there. Go shop. Oh, okay.
This is nice.
Nice, man.
Does it taste nice though?
Yeah, it does. I'm a better person, but this is.
But did you enjoy yourself last night?
Last night, no.
Kisho last night was lit because the guy Alibaba last. He was going through a lot.
I came back and I was like, God.
After I came back, I felt like a better parent because December I'm home. Like,
I came
I'm
back.
a better. Well, now you are with. No, I'm not a bad. I am not a bad parent. I am not a bad parent. Like now I'm a better parent than him. Like give it when
And she said, I'm still on my way.
I was at the toll gate, guys. Like that was 8 a.m. 8 a.m. in the morning. So nigga toll gate. So I'm a better parent. No.
I'm the one that accepted that platinum.
Ghana go. Who's sleeping with your kids? Who's sleeping with the kids, uncle? Malume Wabani.
Who's sleeping with the kids?
Salah was home.
Also, I'm a better parent compared to you. Aibo. Is that your real hair? Yes, shame. This is my real hair, and I'm considering to cut this hair because what the hell? Yeah, but I'm a better parent because me, I was at a work meeting. I was with the executive. You were at the groove where Namalume Wabana. Actually, Cape Town, we are going to Cape Town. Please, eh? And then get one Cape Town when as Malume Wabana.
You want to take the kids?
We take them where? Because we must fly to Cape Town. Fly with them, Ganjani. We are occupied. Yeah, we are occupied. Patung, I'm so natural. Hello. Hello, my angel.
My book. Dress me up.
They dress me up. Where's the book? It's in my room.
I didn't see it there.
You're fine now? Go help her get the dress me up book in my room.
Please,
I didn't see
please, my baby.
Patung, I look like my mother. Oh my god. You look so basic. Gray hair! Don't. No, show me never. Never gray. What? Never gray hair me.
You're gonna age nice.
No, I'm aging nice. I am aging nicely, but the gray hair, no. I'm a tricky. Usola.
No. That one has open like this.
Usolani.
No.
Oh, Usola ini babe. Cause mina bengindoda yami zona. Usolani uthi ngijola naye. Usolani. All right. Phela mina izolo benginomuntu wami. Ene naye bekanomuntu wakhe.
Yabo.
Umngani wakhe. Uyajola ibo indoda. Njengoba unabantwana abangaka, uba nabomama babo, hayi mngani, don't do that.
Jola nabantwana.
Thank you, babe.
Yabo.
Hayi bo uthini manje?
I finished cooking. Kunokupheka.
Hayi bo phela ngeke phela nidle ukudla.
Oh my god, I look like my mom. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck? I look like my mom. Like, damn. Damn. mama okay ungenza umuntu omubi emphakathini azokhala la ngathi mina u-anti
Amara na ungakhala bakushawute kanje.
hayi sifuna idureng e-50 rand e-50 rand singama-single parent yonke into siyayikhulumela baba bobababo
Lot's gone. That's she gone. Awa. Baba ke wayena kungasungile.
Lezi nja ziyafa sabangcwaba basiphakathi komgodi hayi ithula nangu
What?
Kaya, I asked him to go do something upstairs.
No, you didn't.
I forgot. What is that?
The book.
Oh, yes, you got the book, baby. As in, abantwana babafelokazi bela nakekelana.
Lovely girl.
Ubhuti wakhe will always take care.
Abantwana
They can say that you
no, I wanna eat, Batung.
Hi, Bowen.
Batung, I wanna eat. I wanna eat my money. Look at this girl. What my yellow bone. Red flag. I'm a yellow bone. Red flag. Babon.
Come down.
Like, the reason he's shouting because of you are acting up.
A dog. Imagine a puppy. A puppy. Not even that puppy. Sprayed or a puppy from the babs. Bona.
You guys are playing with tears
This
today.
is how soft boys behave.
Yes, my name.
I'm a red flag. I'm a spoiled bread. Omunye uyakhala. Omunye guys, nginganireza amadoda. Nisirezela abantombazana. Abantwana bethu bazojana into ezinje. Hayi.
The real man.
Can we get the real man? What? Baby. What's his name?
Ora.
Ora.
He's okay.
When you are star of the show, when you are the man. This one, the tall, dark and handsome. When you are tall, dark and handsome. When I must hide my kids away from you. You are tall, dark and handsome.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Cala malobol.
Oh my God.
Cala malobolo, malume.
Oh
my God.
This is too much for my ears.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God.
Don't be scared, son. Relax.
The only reason
Even though I
told him earlier on, I said the only reason that thing is
When they see that
you are so handsome for this nonsense.
When they see you're scared, they chase after you.
Like imagine even that, like my puppies, they don't even care about you. They don't know that you exist. You know how much are those puppies? 10K.
It's about them.
They don't care about you. When now what is stressa? Voila. Eh.
When you entertain them, you see how you send it. They don't care about you.
I need to give you one.
Dark, tall, and handsome boys, they always win. Not my yellow bone, my pet. I'm sure your mom is baby, right?
I see my way, man. Hater.
Dad, this is my mom.
Your mom is
This one is
baby.
the kind of one.
When? Hello, Chummy.
Which one? This one.
I'm busy babysitting here
Oh,
and
they don't bag, leave it.
I'm babysitting boys. Can you imagine?
The moment you show that.
Why am I a part of this life now?
I don't know, like this new life. You know,
You know what?
like I feel like I'm in
I
an
don't wanna be in
unprotected
a life.
sex that I didn't sign up for.
You show that you
Like you know, Kenya batho you know, like I just don't get it.
Happy. Mamela, it's Sibu. I
Yes,
think
Chummy.
Teddy is your moderator.
I
You have to
know.
remove her from being a moderator. She added me.
Who's the moderator?
It's Teddy. Remember
Who's the moderator?
Teddy?
Ma?
Teddy.
Oh, oh, whenever I go live, she's my moderator. Whenever
Now
I go
she
live.
added me here. Now I don't want to be live. Remove me.
Oh, I don't know, but someone is a
Who is that?
moderator forever.
Hi, sweetie! My darling.
It's Teddy. No, I said Teddy. Sibu.
Sibu, my
Yes.
sweetie.
Hey, Gugu. Guys, when I don't want to be
Oh,
live.
Kukuyena untapheya bambutsa who's cooking. Kiban Kuku is the one that's cooking. Kungana
Oh,
hansi
Mara,
kiluchawa.
happy. You guys are having a good life there.
And what's in what's in we are behaving like old people. We are not in clubs and stuff like that. We are allowing kids to have a great time. We are spending our money on them. Like we are being responsible parents.
Spending your money,
Now
guys.
these dogs they must go out. Like
I want to
these
tell you,
dogs.
take me out from this life, man.
Teddy, take the dogs out, boys.
Happy and close.
I can't. I don't know. Okay, you're out. Teddy. Take the dogs out.
I'll take the one. I'll take the one.
Where are you going? The bathroom.
Take it out.
Oh,
Take
okay.
it out. Mother, you don't have to take it out. Why? Me too, yesterday I was scared of them, but today I'm no more scared.
I'm so proud of you, my son.
Who's that? The one who put a
But even like in my life, you guys learn so fast. Like look.
You
Like
mustn't be scared of a thing that can't talk like a human being. I wanna pet you.
where's Auntie off, chum? Auntie off. Kiagoa.
This one is the mother. Even the one you know what you must do. Just then. Just then you mustn't be scared of it. I just wanna see.
Kaya, can you please go to the pantry and give me sweets?
They're alive.
As I showed, it's my Wi-Fi, right? And it's my iPhone 17. Right? Please give me sweets.
Is that an iPhone 17?
You're not gonna question.
It's not dogs.
You're not gonna question me.
Please don't embarrass me. It's not dogs, it's puppies.
I never said dogs.
Yeah, you said dogs.
No,
You said not the dogs.
No, me, I was saying iPhone 17. One question about is that an iPhone?
Which one?
Guess what?
Oh, no.
Is it an iPhone 17?
Ungenaphi?
The filter is
Ungenaphi? Why are you asking me such things? I'm an adult.
These are not dogs. It's
I'm an
Mama, you can
adult.
see it's an iPhone.
No, but it's an iPhone 17.
That's not a Pro Max.
Oh,
It's not a Pro Max.
wow. Oh,
Not
wow.
a Pro.
Oh,
It's
bana
just the
bakashe.
iPhone 17.
Wow.
It's
Bana bakasheko. Our kids.
What are you guys doing?
You gave me the sweets. I asked them to give me sweets in my pantry.
Okay.
No, I'm just gonna eat this. You want sweets? Do you love sweets?
yeah.
You want sweets?
No.
Oh, okay.
And hello. This one I'm not scared of. Oh?
This is the mother of the puppies.
Yes, I'm not scared of the mother. Yeah?
Mm.
You can't give it sweets.
What did I do?
You are so rude.
I said, What did I say? I said, You're not scared of the mother. I said,
Shy.
Ngenaphi.
Shy.
Mayikuluma ngenaphi.
Is the mother allowed to eat this one small?
Happy. Let's get rid of this too. Let's get rid of this.
Oh, nyanya. Uyanyanya.
Let's put it down here.
In the dustbin. Ngizosebenzisa le.
Hey, wena namanzi.
Maningi amanzi efrijini yami.
Yes, maningi vele kodwa asingakathi advantage phela. What are you looking for? Phela khaya umuntu onola ekhaya kumele show off. What you now? That's how you can keep up like you're going on.
Yeah, we are showing off.
The dog is trying to climb.
We are showing
down the
off
street.
that you've got a rich auntie. We are going inside. Oh, rich.
I'm telling you.
Wena gini ni rich. Wena no anto rich. Uyakhala mawufuna.
Bathi ulazi uhamba ngayi-1. Ulazi uhamba ngayi-1. Bathi ulazi.
No, akusiwuyi.
Oh.
Wena rich.
Go to the living room, ne?
It's the doggy.
Go to the living room.
The hair is off already. Oh, of course. Of course.
Hey, there's nothing wrong.
And I've got long hair, unlike you guys.
Keep going.
Skins are down, the lips are on point.
Like in
Me no,
eyebrows.
mirror healthy.
Little nails.
CD4 count on Skyrock. HIV negative. Body counts this year.
Zero.
I'm that girl.
Nuts.
I don't
I do hate it.
Yes, I'm really healthy, manala ay kholela. Skin is lower, bank balance ile. Bana ba le happy. Yeah? We are going to Arna stress sa heartbreaky. Bashimane ke di devil worshiper. No, we are not. Purple gang le bang. Hey, bashimane what? Me, I wanna be single and get because I know my worth. What healthy is yeah, manana, skinny, mina, the lipsy, house, promenade.
That's why even if people come over and just cook.
Once again, you know, the chef on standby. Any day, anytime. Cool, on point. Yeah, go at least with them Donella. They are fighting. Get wrestling. Hey, go did show me down running. Bang, me just think you are. Come star of the show, and I will choose. I will choose. I will choose the end contenter.
I'm not wrong, baby. I'm not the fella.
That's one thing you put it on. Well, I'm only realizing now that Paris is a twin. For real? You think so? Paris is a twin. I'm waiting for him. Oh my Lee.
Lili. What about this? Uhamba ngayi-1 bathi ulazi uhamba
ngayi-1 shapa. No, I'm busy on the live. Kitlo shapa. Tiklo shapa inyon.
Go to your disappoint you get Ben.
No, o busy. O busy. O le rato. Batho ke le rata jwang? Ke le rata.
But Christmas by invite.
No, I'm gonna send them the address, ne?
Yeah, but Christmas.
They must come for the thing.
Christmas
never. The New Year's Day, birthday, what?
Oh yes.
They must come with the gifts.
Location.
True. Don't look aggressive.
They should come. Guys.
Marana will Cape Town. Okay, this is unfair. Mama, I cancel Cape Town.
Uhamba kithi.
Ngoba ke did one retro phela ka mthandazo.
Angizohamba ngidodwa.
Nami una the blessing kwamani.
Watch it.
We'll send you guys my address. Hope I did one.
Invitation you will post it on
Hey, I try to argue.
Hey.
I want to argue a lot. Imagine get a molo naked so. Hey, can I read the week it's a 50 million. I'm a jabba child. Mara, boy, kill accept it. You guys must accept me as I am.
So who's ready to come? Can they say me?
But that
Who's ready to come?
allergy I so that day. That day when I was in sentence.
The belt.
This is belt. I must say so I must change the car. I must change the car. Hey, I must change the car that I'm driving. Imagine my tatekna go a seat belt eki Kenya. Sure, I must ride in a Porsche or a Ferrari or seat belt Kenya in Kenza Matata. Kenza Matata. Okay, I've got more than 7 people coming to the birthday party on the 1st of January. Google, you must cook for more than 7 or 10 people. Hey, from TikTok for January.
How many did they say me?
Bantu ba re me.
Please
like
accept me.
Oscar ba abuse. Okay.
It's my
Bantu ba re me.
Keep on they must say me. I have to see those people.
Okay, let me go back. Me lona ke le buella. Bona, come back here, chef. Come back here, bantu ba re me. No, I'm not going to Cape Town. Come here. Come here, Gugu. Like don't do that. Okay, wait. Me has 50,000. Like this is 20,000 people saying me. No, I saw our husband. Okay, our friend. Born. What about me?
Let me see my sweet. Le filter mara happy.
I don't know how to change these things.
Let me help
Change
you.
it. Yeah. I don't know how to defend myself there. Bloody me.
What is me? Lay right. Okay, me. Ubani uspunky chaps, nom.
More than 500,000 people. That's what I mean.
500,000. I had things only 158 people are here. So shy. Okay, Tingbo, man calculator.
That's what I mean.
Ngizoba shy labantu
I'm not
abafuna
going to
ukuza.
Cape Town.
Hayi
They are coming.
No,
You must cook
abantu ababodwa la abantu bathi me. Oh, mama fan. Oh, Tata. Who are you? Abakwazi la. Mama fan. Abantu ababodwa.
But about me, don't do that. But about me.
Angabonanga mina. Okay, abathi.
Yeah, but Dennis inside. Say they must say me.
Yes, I want to come.
No, they must change the story.
Yes, I want
Wow. Okay, we are going to Cape Town. Me and my people, we are going to Cape Town. Let's book the latest flight on the 1st of January. Must I book for them? My people, they want to celebrate my birthday with me, right? We spent the whole year together. So they've been there through the ups and downs. Did I have the dance this year? Did I have the dance?
You did not.
I don't. Did I have the dance? Right. Sunday, you always stunning. Thank you so much for me. Oh, Prince. Oh, shame. How are you, babe? How are you? This is the star of this life. Can you go past? Okay, pass. Do you have a bus? Do you have a bus? Tepo.
I want a bus.
Chef.
You didn't buy me anything on my birthday. Can you insert this?
The year starts in January. Cuckoo. Oh, the year starts in January. So before December, there's January, okay? So please
after
relate
December,
yourself.
there's
No. Before
are now in December,
before December. No. No, before December, there's January. So my birthday comes first before you. So please.
Milang Fagenji, a time walk.
No ways.
Yeah.
No ways. Abafana moon.
Do right by you. Tell me budget.
First semester, first term, January, February, March, first term you want. My first term.
What's the side with other kids' names?
But we can donate for your birthday. Please do. Silence. Can you please? You can donate. You can donate, Spunky. Let's donate. Let's have Her Majesty fundraising, birthday fundraising, or birthday fan fundraising for Her Majesty, and then we donate for the birthday, right? Fair enough. I love it. Love the concept. So we are a few days away from my birthday. Okay, I think at this point I need to disclose how old I'm turning.
You're
Right?
turning 29 years of age.
Guys, I'm turning 29 years old on the 1st of January. So, how donating, who be lit, who be wow, who be marvelous. Those who knows who guy, they must send the cake, they must send your Gucci's, your Elvis, you know, the drinks, the wines, the champagnes. Bring it on because I deserve it and because I love you. Because I love you and you guys love me, right? Teddy, you are doing the most in this life. I'm turning 35. Wena, Maga. No, give someone. Me, 35. And let me tell you guys, I've been telling them and I've been confessing for enough. Got one child. Titi is my sister, and Tyrellus is adopted. And Paris, actually, I don't have a child. And Paris, Titi. So, like, no, like, where do I enter? Titi is my sister. Guys, I cannot teach you everything. I've been saying this. Go to the pictures. Look at Titi's picture. Look at Paris. Like, I cannot teach them everything. And then we've got Umtanaga Beyonce. Beyonce began a twin, right? If you remember and if you follow the internet stories, right?
The trail.
Beyonce booked the entire hospital when she gave birth to Bloom. Oh, wait, baby. Beyonce booked the entire hospital when she gave birth to Bloom. That's when you guys, the public, the people didn't know that Beyonce gave birth to twins. And me, I was there with half $1 million to buy out. Guys, I cannot teach you everything. So, that's when Tshirelezo, the snake girl, was adopted. Guys, go to the internet and then you go Google Blue Ivy and you take Tira's picture and you do a collage, right? Guys, I can't teach you everything. Money can buy you Alicia Keys. Money can buy you anything, can buy you Beyonce. Do you understand? So yeah, Beyonce, when she gave birth, Wabuka is off. No one was there. There were like no cameras, no proof. That's when mina ngeza ngebag yemali ngathi ngizomthenga lo mntana lo. That's why in my house I've got a Blue Ivy. DJ ngisho khona naye uyabona. Uyafakazi, uyazi.
Beyonce.
Uthi yena utiti umama
Ongititi.
umama ka Paris.
Uthini utiti?
Ngikhipha amaqiniso. Ngibhatale. Ngivalilo. Makakale ngikhipha iqiniso. Paris. Okay. Bangicela phezulu. Let me start from the top. Mhlawumbe bangizwanga.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe angizwanga.
Abakuzwanga wena my
Okay,
love.
come back and sit down, guys.
Yes.
Revelation is there. So, guys, me as Her Majesty, I'm turning 37 and I don't have kids, right? Let me take you down to the story. This Sento is my mother's daughter, and she's my sister according to the society. She's my sister, guys. She's my sister, right? And then she got a child at a very young age. She was still in school, in primary. That's when Paris was born. And that's when if you go and Google this picture, or you go to my stories and you take Paris, especially when they do street bake. Right now, it is the Alicia Keys. They did a street bake. You take this one's picture, and you take this picture, and you do a. What the hell? You do a collage. You do, right? Ubed Titimo. Ubed. What? Is the mother. The reason why I'm disclosing this, 1 million, our agreement. She was supposed when the mother's money, I guess the mother died in a car accident. When she was getting the road accident fund, girl got 7 million. She was supposed to give me 1 million. So that never happened. So me, I will spill the beans. Okay, I've been holding the secret. And the reason why I participated, now, guys, don't judge me. Don't judge me. The reason I participated is because I wanted to be on the Mommy Club. And one of the criteria to be on the Mommy Club, you have to be a mother. And at this point, I'm not a mother. Right? So Didi promised me 1 million. And that was the story. Okay. Then I met Beyonce guys, in Texas. Beyonce has gone through a lot. You remember when I was Beyonce? Yes. Then we met in Texas, and there was so much they were about to divorce with Jay-Z. Guys, listen to me and listen to me very carefully. They were about to divorce because Jay-Z na cheater, ne? Jay-Z na cheater and a girl na goa na departure ko na famba moyeni, ne? And then I discover hore pregnant ka my twins, ne? That's when I came as a savior because I had what? Child, ne? And just are girl bona Jay-Z sponsor the flames, and then now I want out to give a divorce. And the bana by two. Karabona, I want another child. Or I want a child that I've never given birth. Right? I get kina kitong wana titine. Kara kitong patala 500,000. Kara kitong patala 500,000. For mom, Blue Ivy. Blue Ivy the second. Hey? Blue Ivy the second. $500,000 for Blue Ivy the second. Nobody know. Lona halipotso why ngwana South Africa wa South ile ngwana wa dinoga. Ke ngwana ma wa Beyonce. So yeah, that's all I can see. And participated because I wanted to be on the Mommy Club. So yeah, and that's my confession and that's my story time. So Lantrendisa, Lampoa, screen recorder, na kisite tabako guy. Kosifube. And the canwa alkaline water.
Yeah.
Sprinkle water. And never hamunati. Hey, KB, I'm confused. I can't explain this. I'm tired of explaining. I think the people here who understood, they can explain and narrate the story.
Yeah.
I'm tired of explaining. Like, when
One tomato sauce. One tomato sauce.
And also one tomato sauce.
This they don't come to stay here. And if you don't come to the food,
it is on the life. I get
you are the daughter.
hey, it is my mom. But do you have mommy juice? If you consider this as the mommy juice, then yeah, that's it. Whatever.
Thank you. The papel, my
No, I eat that one.
That's very nice.
I eat a very
The peri pap.
yeah, I eat a very soft,
soft one.
That's why I can never date a Zulu man. I want them very soft.
Yeah, no.
But we still love you, sending you love all the way from Lesotho. Thank you so much. You also have some trend. So you're okay with having a snake in your house? No comment. My Mrs. Info coming, no comment. I am so to NY. I'm so to like in my local school. Very so to, but the whole delegation. So I know Soto, I know Zulu, so I'm very versatile. But hey, madam, please check your DM. For so many DMs, I'm gonna DMs about my 1,000. I've got so many DMs. Yeah, it was nice being here. Homonati. I need to eat my food, so I will love you.
Did you come take your food?
She's on this live.
She can hear us.
Okay, please end the live for me so I can eat.
Okay, yes.
I need this thing. Wish I was some birthdays. Happy birthday in advance. Titi. Bye, my love.